Dear viewers, welcome to my channel MAHAMUD BCS Academy. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next video. Let's get started.
I do not believe dash his honesty with, to, at, in. Answer: in his honesty. Question number 2. We saw several haunted houses were dash fire while coming from border areas. Answer: on fire. Question number 3. Have you ever been dash the longest sea beach of the world? In, to, 1, up. Answer: B, to the longest. Question number 4. He is jealous dash my fame, 1, for, of, with. Answer: C, of my fame. Question number 5. Honesty is indispensable dash success, for, about, at, of. Answer: for success. Question number 6. Please come dash my office by, at, 1, 2. Answer: by my office. Question number 7. A man is known dash the company he keeps, to, with, for, by. Answer: by the company. Question number 8. Life a tale told dash an idiot, before, by, with, to. Answer: B, by an idiot. Question number 9. She was blessed dash a son, by, for, with, in. Answer: with a son. C. Question number 10. The teacher is popular dash his student, with, often, at, for. Answer: with his student. Question number 11. Which is the correct sentence? Jenny was angry at me. Jenny was angry upon me. Jenny was angry upon me. Jenny was angry with me. Answer: B. Question number 12. We won a victory dash his rebels against, over, from, of. Answer: B, over his rivals. Question number 13. The policeman rescued inside dash danger, of, on, at, from. Answer: B, from danger. Question number 14. He advised us to desist dash that attempt, from, at, to, for. Answer: A, from that. Question number 15. He is learning dash the wall, with, against, upon, to. Answer: B, against the wall. Question number 16. What a contrast dash his brother, with, for, to, from. Answer: C, to his brother. Question number 17. I shall adhere dash my plan, in, out, for, to. Answer: to my plan. Question number 18. The widow then burst dash tears at the sad news, into, to, over, for. Answer: into tears. Question number 19. He lost his phone dash the cinema hall, on, over, up, none of this. Answer: none of this. Question number 20. Men differ dash opinion, in, from, at, about. Answer: A, in opinion. Question number 21. I never interfere dash my gown upside, Mrs. Chaudhary said. Answer: B, with my gown. Question number 22. They were chains receiving a stolen goods. Answer: C, with receiving. Question number 23. Do not stare dash my face, in, 1, at, over. Answer: at my face. Question number 24. Are you confident dash your performance, because, by, none of this, of. Answer: of your performance. Question number 25. Youth is sympathy patient dash restrained, at, of, from, 1. Answer. Of restraint. Question number 26. I caught him dash the ear by, with, in, of. Answer. By the ear. Question number 27. Don't exalt dash a fallen foe with, into, over, upon. Answer. Over a fallen foe. Question number 28. Rohima has not yet come back dash the bazaar from, of, over, none of this, from the bazaar. Question number 29. When we found him he was unconscious but he came dash in half an hour. Answer. B. Round in half. Question number 30. He handcuffed dash deep thought. 1. In, with, at. Answer. B. In deep door. Thought blind of one eye. He is not blind dash his son's fault. Answer. B. To his son faults. Question number 32. He congratulated me dash my success upon, for, one, with. Answer. One my success. Question number 33. They had to call dash the match as the ground was wet, off, on, in, up. Answer. O, of the match. Question number 34. He will compensate you dash the loss of, to, for, with. Answer. For the loss. Question number 35. He is firmly determined to go. You cannot prevent him going there. Of, in, with, from. Answer. D. From going there. Question number 36. Many people of our country live dash hand to mouth, on, from, with, by. Answer from the question. B. From hand to mouth. Question number 37. Nobody dash alarm knew the way without, that, but, beside. Answer. C. But alarm knew the way. Question number 38. Swimming is conductive dash help, in, for, to, at. Answer. C. To health. Question number 39. My wife has no interest dash music, for, at, in, to. Answer. C. In music. Question number 40. Are you here dash business, madam? The customers offers asked. Answer. D. In business. Question number 41. It is impolite to break dash when someone else is talking. Answer. In when. Question number 42. The climate is congenial dash health, for, with, one, two. Answer. To health. Question number 43. A modest man does not boast dash his merit, of, on, for, with. Answer. A. Of his merit. Question number 44. The customer gets what he pays. Answer. Of, at, for, from. Answer. C. For. Question number 45. I am fitted dash with traveling, on, for, of, by. Answer. B. For wide traveling. Question number 46. You should be repentant dash your misdeeds, 1, of, for, by. Answer. C. For your misdeeds. Question number 47. The parents should have authority dash their sons and daughters. Answer. A. Over their sons and daughters. Question number 48. The intellectual cannot live dash the margin of society, against, before, beyond, inside. Answer. C. Beyond. Question number 49. An ignorant person has prejudice dash new ideas, against, to, for, of. Answer. A. Against new ideas. Question number 15. I have dash interest in the matter. Any, none, no, not. Answer for this question. C. No interest in the matter.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you don't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next video. Please like, comment and share this video.